Hello and welcome back to my studio table. This is something that I just discovered, and I discovered it because just like some other things that I'm trying to work out how to use that I bought a long time ago that have just been sitting around my studio waiting for me to find the right project, I just discovered that these eyelashes that I ordered a long time ago that come on a string like this, that I struggled with and kind of gave up on, are actually extremely easy to put in. If, and this is the amazing part, if you use UV resin as an adhesive. Yep. Never occurred to me. I've used it for a million other things, but never as an adhesive. So watch this. Take a little bit of the adhesive, and I'm going to call it adhesive, but you take the resin and you go in where you want to apply it, and you put your adhesive down. Okay, try to keep that clean because anything that gets in it is a mess. Okay, and then you take your lashes and repeat the process. Put adhesive on the side of them that you want to stick to the doll. And remember, this doesn't cure until you hit it with a UV light. So you have plenty of working time. And you stick it in place and use a little tool to get it exactly where you want it. Now you can go back into the eye depending on how you've sculpted it. But look, it's even tacky. I mean, it wants to stick. It's amazing. If you already knew this, and I'm the last one to be finding out, please don't laugh at me. But I'm finding this to be an absolute revelation, and I had to share. So, oops, if you get a loose lash, or any kind of hair, make sure you remove it, because you don't want that in there. Get it set where you want it. And you don't have to worry so much if you get this on the lens, because I'm going to coat the lens in it anyway at some point here today. Matter of fact. Okay, and now this one wants to sink to the inside back of the lens, and that's not where I want it, so I'm going to grab it, pull it forward before I set it. I may have to hold it in place because that's where it's wanting to slide to. Alright. Watch, the last one went super easy, and this one's going to fight me. You know why? Because she's laying down now. And she was not laying down when I applied the other one, so it stayed right at the front edge where I wanted it. Well, not that it looks bad back there. It actually looks good. Huh. Actually, I think I like it better all the way in the back. So, guess what? I'll be reapplying that one. I'm going to pull it off, and I'm going to glue it back in this way. But then you can take a little more, and a little less than more, a little more, and go in and apply just a little bit more of this adhesive to the lashes. And if you get it on the lens, don't worry. We'll add more and it'll all smooth out and be pretty. Just Oh, I found if you blow, just like with the paint, see how it levels out? Okay. It seems to be self-leveling. Anyway, so now it's in there, and watch. This is an LED pen flashlight. So you just shine it in there, a little blue light. No, it is blue. You have your UV curing, and deep, deep, deep. You can tug, tug, tug. It's not going anywhere. They are permanently set in place. Isn't that awesome? And I think, like I said, I'm going to peel that out of there. I had to yank pretty hard, people. That was pretty hard to actually get that off of there. But it did come, because I haven't finished curing these eyes yet. This flashlight I use just to set it, and then I put this under a better UV light. Alright, let's cut a new piece real quick. And we'll do that one more time. One, two, and scissors. This time it won't be in two pieces. Okay. Unfortunately, that means that one piece is a waste, but I'm okay with that. So I'll go back, get a little more of this. And you only need a very small little drop of it. You don't need to waste this stuff at all. A little bit goes a long way. So I have it on the tape just so I can throw it away when I'm done. Okay, so we'll go back and we'll do the other eye. And we're going to load it up. Get right down in this crack. Okay. Go over the lens. And blow on it. That helps it to level. Oops. There's a hair in there. There we go. It's gone. Try to keep that brush clean. If not, clean it. Okay. And now we're going to apply the adhesive to the back of the lash, like we did on the other side. Easier said than done. It's dancing around. Okay. And into place it goes. Now do be careful if you have it on your hands that you don't get it anywhere else on the face, because it will leave a shiny spot that you will struggle to get rid of. Only let it go where you want it to go. Alright. Other scissors. I cut this a little bit long. Let's see. Okay. Right there. Am I still in frame? No. There. Okay. And get you right down in there. Oh, it's so pretty. Still a little bit long. Okay. One more time. Okay. And be sure to get all those loose hairs out before you hit this with the UV, because once you do, whatever's in it is in it. And to clear everything up. Okay. And go right down in there like that. I usually try to get it up on the... Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's in place where I want it. Oops. Come back out of there. Okay. And light. Are they not just the cutest little sparkly eyes? I may do a quick tutorial on how I made those eyes too. If anybody would be interested, leave a comment down below in the video. And if you feel like it, like the video and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be doing a lot more little short videos on the quick things that I discover as I go through and get rid of, or at least find a use for, all these random things I've bought over the years and was not able to use or hadn't found a use for yet. And let's see, spin her around. You can see her lovely lashes. There you go. UV resin as an adhesive. Unbelievably long working time. And it sets solid as super glue. Okay, there you go. Have a good day.